Hey friends, if Game Pass is not launching games on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what you have to do. Uh, the answer has been written on the Microsoft Answers forum, and there is basically only one solution with the consensus of all. So you have to set the time automatically. Now this is weird, but this is what is working for everyone. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side and select date and time in the right pane. Check all these three boxes to set time zone automatically, set time automatically, and also show the time. Click on sync now and wait till you get a tick here. Once the time has been synced, that is when the problem will be solved. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.